Hi guys, I decided to use the Food Network as my business to create a filter for them for this assignment. Um, so I decided to go along the route of the what are you, and so basically I've put in a bunch of different meals that you could do when you're going through this. So you just tap on the picture and then it randomly stops, and he got a pizza. So you can just do it again and again, and there's 9 different pictures with a bunch of different cuisines and foods in it. Ideally, just because I don't know how to do it nor do I have the time, ideally I would put maybe some kind of hyperlink or embed a link into one of the pictures to take you straight to the recipe on the Food Network site. I think that would be a really cool idea, just not sure how to do it. But yeah, that is my filter that I created for this assignment. Thank you.